This video is about the so-called pneumatic light, which is a way that we use the electromagnetic induction to produce and store light in a capacitor. I will shake vigorously this lamp, pneumatic lamp, while I use the lamp at the off position, and then later I will turn it to the on position so that we see that the light is produced. So I shake vigorously this system for about 2 minutes, and I will try to record the results. Now I put it on the on position and wait for the light to come out. Now it is coming. So I will photograph it. You can see at the end of the room the light. I will go near the light. Now the light is at a distance about 5 meters from the lamp. And I go directly and approach the light. We see how strong it is, and we expect that it can last about 5 minutes, depending on how long I shook the system. I will try to put some explanation on the way the light is produced, and it is one of the miracles of the electromagnetic induction. So wait until you see the description of this video. Thanks for watching.